In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Welcome to Hogwarts Instagram filter. Okay, so to get this filter, all you need to do is launch your Instagram app and then tap on the Discover tab next to the homepage button at the bottom. Then you want to tap on search and you want to search for an account called wind_style. It's the first option there, just tap on that. Then you want to go to the filters tab next to the grid icon there underneath the story highlights, tap on that. And there you can see the Hogwarts filter, the first result. Tap on that. You can go ahead and try it, or you can save it to your camera by tapping on that little icon with the down arrow. Tap on that. That will be saved to your camera, and then you can go ahead and use that filter. So that is how you get the Welcome to Hogwarts Instagram filter. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.